So what's good today with this ST? Absolutely insane. And if you haven't already, check out the recent videos. Finally hit 1.1k. Insane. So yeah, let's jump straight into it. Yo, so what's good? Welcome back to a new video. I'm here with Jake. I'm going to pass you over to him and he's going to introduce himself.
Right, so I'm Jake and we've got another Fiesta ST again, because that's all you seem to be filming at the moment. So mine's a little bit different. It's a TRS Stage 2, so it's basic hardware really, so it's sort of induction kits, intercooler, turbo back Milltek exhausts. It's slightly lowered, it's got a short shifter, Recirc valve, not too much for stage 2, it's obviously still a fair whack, but yeah, it's like a nice fun amount.
I've never actually been in a car with like a short shifter, so I have no idea what they are.
Yeah, like. So I didn't even know it had it when I first got the car, but I managed to sort of speak to the previous owner and found out that it had got one. So
yeah. But
the gearboxes aren't there. They aren't well known for being the most robust in these cars, unfortunately, but we just got to run them until they die, basically.
It's like any other car, really, isn't it? It's just Gabs and ripping the car. Oh my god.
The S280 or the S242, which is the 242 is the Turbotechnics hybrid one.
Yep.
So you can push sort of 300 to 330 brake if you're really pushing it with them. Whereas obviously the S280, when you stage 3, it's sort of quite a tuned down version.
Yeah.
Because they've got a lot of they're capable of a lot of power.
It's insane.
Yeah.
Like that amount of power from like such a small car.
But I think what would really benefit this car is diff. Not many people want to spend the money on a diff, but
it is worth it.
I mean, you saw what it was like when you put your foot down into it. That's a 250 brake. So
yeah. Just imagine that more power.
Yeah.
I couldn't imagine.
TRS maps. You've got like flat foot shifting, brake boosting. Obviously you've got the overrun on the back at the moment. I've got a handset in there with, so I've got options for different fuel grades. The flame map which we've got on at the moment, so hopefully we get some flames in the video. We can find somewhere to pull over. Yeah, so it's quite cool. Could have probably pulled in there, but
could always do on the way back if you like.
I took it to a unnamed tuner who decided that 1.9 bar of boost would be a good idea on the stock turbo, which fucked the car. So we won't mention them.
Yeah.
But they were insisting that it wasn't the software, and it was trying to sell me loads of parts, and it was the software.
It's like who you know as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like, and like obviously
TRS is the way forward for these things.
I'll keep that in mind in case I do get one, which I do want one, so might have to look into one as well. Don't worry, look after the corner.
It just pulls right to the red line as well. Don't like it on the road, but it's very linear power, isn't it?
Yeah.
It just keeps going.
It puts a smile on my face. Like, that's all I can say. I love this car. It's absolutely insane.
You notice with the stock cars, you sort of put your foot down, it's quite nippy to start with, and then you get to the top end and there isn't any.
Yeah, I noticed that.
So especially stage 2, you get a lot of good top end. Then you just go into a corner, it's just straight round. That's 5th gear pull now, it's still torque steering.
Can't fault it.
Okay, 50 mile an hour, 60 miles an hour. We stopped at 60.
Jesus Christ.
It's quite impressive.
I am impressed. Honestly.
Makes it, the standard cars are like fun, but this just gives it that extra little bit that it needs.
This is just like pure fun.
Yeah.
Like, if this doesn't put a smile on your face, there is something wrong.
This road is really making me realise that I need a diff. I'm over still.
I can't think of anything to say.
This could be a good little spot. Nothing behind us. So drop it down. It's about 2,500 RPM. Traction control off. Nice little bit there.
They just pinch you. Jesus. I wasn't expecting it to like drop a pin in the seat.
It does throw you back, like you can see.
Yeah, like you just
Yeah, it's just. To be honest, them brakes have surprised me. They stayed all right.
I was going to say, they've done good.
Just don't scrape, don't scrape, don't scrape, don't scrape. That's what it's like owning a lowered car.
Oh yeah, I had the same. Mine was on 45mm
Yeah.
springs. The front
is on-
end was low.
This is 35 front and it's 45 rear. I did think about doing the lowline kit and the splitter as well, but it just scrapes as much as it is.
Just in case, and it would be like a waste of money if it just started pulling off or anything.
But me and my girlfriend went shopping the other day, and we went to pull into the supermarket, and I couldn't get up there. Because you probably know the Morrison's by Kings Winford, and it's
Oh yeah, quite steep.
yeah. So we had to go to a different supermarket.
Right, I'm going to stop here, and then we're going to go outside and see if we can see any flamey boys.
First car I've actually seen flying in person as well. Jesus, oh, watching that back.
Should do the windows down. See if you can hear those pops. It's sick.
But
You just can't get enough of it. Terrible this morning.
just silly.
I have to give it to you as well, you are a really good driver.
Don't say that until we're back. When I get a car, I sort of slowly tend to build up a little bit until I know where's too far.
Yeah.
So,
No, you literally you've killed it, man.
yeah.
How well is it on fuel like?
24.7 that was. That was quite a sprinted drive.
What's the lowest you've got it down to?
This, to be honest, doesn't go any lower than this. I always feel a little bit bad when we do that in the villages. Just go.
My car's going to feel absolutely like ass when I get it.
Try and get a few of these little gear runs now, once we can.
Sharp benders, I think.
Try it.
I'm going to leave you running with this. Okay, so literally you go up there, and then there'll be like a turn point, and then just come back down, and then if you want, I don't know where you'll turn down there.
That's what I'm thinking.
You'll probably have to like come to the point, then back around the point, then for that turn that you just did. If that's okay. Unless you want me to, unless you want to.
What's the visibility like here?
I can always go over this way, but I can tell you if there's anything coming.
Yeah. I'll meet you back here. I think it's quite a straight road, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Okay, this is clear.
We'll see you again when we're dead.
Yes, indeed, sir. Good luck.
Like we're going dogging now, by the way.
That's fine. If you're down, I'm down. I reckon this will be a sick place for video, photo, sorry. But yeah, I think I'm going to end this video here. So if you want to take loads of photos, you're more than welcome. But
what do you think?
I am gobsmacked, like insanely, like I don't even know what to say. By far the best car I've been in, like hands down. And you guys best smash the like and also watch it all the way through, because Jake's come from quite far, Birmingham way.
Yeah, so it's about 40 minutes over. So
better like it.
And if you want a fast Ford like this, you need to get to DWA Performance in Birmingham and get a TRS map,
You heard it from the man.
because they've got to help get this car to where it is.
But make sure you drop a like, also comment and subscribe if you haven't already. More videos are going to be coming soon, and this is just insane, so this is just the start. So yeah, see you soon.